much, sir, regarding defense agreement with Kuwait. Uh, you welcome yesterday. Is this similar to that one Pakistan signed with the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia? And would an attack on Kuwait be considered an attack on Pakistan? Secondly, reportedly, Jordan and Bahrain are also interested in entering into defense cooperation with Pakistan. And the third one, sir, this was reported some 2 weeks back that Pakistan may agree on holding Saath summit at any neutral venue. Thank you.
Who said that?
I saw reports of some 2 weeks back, somewhere.
From whom?
Some international media, sir. You may have or not comment.
The Kuwait-Pakistan Defense Cooperation Agreement was signed in June 2023, and the recently Kuwait completed its ratification process and ratified it. The 2023 agreement, which is now fully operational, built on nearly the 4 decades of very good Pakistan-Kuwait cooperation in defense sector that started in the 80s, survived through the two Gulf wars, particularly the first Gulf War in which Kuwait was attacked. You would recall in 1990. And it has survived till this defense cooperation, and it's now being formalized, whereby there would be exchange of military exercises, trainings, and so on and so forth. The detail you can check from the Ministry of Defense. It is, you said, is it similar to the Strategic Mutual Defense Agreement with Saudi Arabia? So obviously, it is not similar in a sense that this is called the Strategic Mutual Defense, and this is the Defense Cooperation Agreement. So the name is self-explanatory. As about Jordan and Bahrain, we have robust defense cooperation with these countries. If tomorrow there's a need to formalize it in a new agreement of defense cooperation, you will be informed about it in due course. And about SARC, I'm not aware of it, and I'm not aware of what news are you quoting from.